Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have the right permissions, because you cannot change a server without edit access. Open Roblox Studio and load the place you want to modify, and once done, make a local backup by saving a copy or exporting the place. Make sure the game version matches the published universe. Mismatches cause upload errors. Next, enable Team Create if you need collaborative edits, so changes sync to the cloud. With Studio connected, you're ready to adjust server settings and scripts. Now focus on the server-side code. Open Server Script Service and identify scripts handling player spawning, matchmaking, and persistent data. Edit with small, reversible commits. Change one behavior at a time and comment intent so you can revert. Use mock data when adjusting data store use to avoid corrupting live saves. Once edited, use Play Solo and start server with multiple clients to simulate real multiplayer interactions. Make sure to monitor output for errors and fix exceptions before publishing to avoid breaking live games. Finish by publishing your updated place to the correct universe and incrementing the version so players get the new server behavior. Then run a stage test with friends or a small group and watch the output and server logs closely to verify expected flows. Use prints or structured logs for clarity. If you hit sync failures or data store errors, revert to your saved copy and isolate the change causing the problem. One key tip: if players report issues, check server memory and throttling first because
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.